Hi everyone, I'm Frank Jimenez with the BUILDERALL team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add legal pages to your Cheetah website using pages and panels. Now here I am inside the coffee shop website, and these are my pages. Now let's go here to create new page. Now the page that I'm going to be adding is the refund policy page. Now you can simply go down here, and I'm going to show you a way that's not quite yet ready, but still in the future this is the way you would do it. Go in here and select page templates. Now when you select page templates, you're looking at all the templates already pre-made inside Cheetah. Now what you could do next is choose select, and here are the different page templates. But there's one thing wrong here, is you can't simply identify with just the number. So this is something worth checking back. Now again, for this example, let's go ahead and select blank page. If you were to select my pages, what this is going to do, it's going to allow you to select a page from one of your pre-made websites. So if you already have a refund policy page, then you can go to my pages and select it and use that. So I'm going to go ahead and select blank page. I've already named it up at the very top. So I'm going to scroll down and select save. So now I have my refund policy page added to my website. So let's go into edit page. Okay, so now we're on a blank page. All you have to do is go over to the right, select add, select panels, and then scroll down until you see legal pages. These are going to be all of the different legal pages that you can use, complete, and ready for you to make whatever adjustments you need. So for this example, we're going to select refund policy by left clicking. And now it's added. All you have to do is click on save, and you're set. Now you can simply go here, add a new page, enter whatever other policy you would like to add, go in here and just select blank page, hit save. Now the one thing that's going to happen is when you add a page here, you'll have to save it, then exit back out to your home screen, and then re-enter, and you'll see it there, because sometimes when you save it, it may not show up here. And that is how you add legal pages to your Cheetah website. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the BUILDERALL team.